One, good night. You know, say me I call up and I think no, all the family member then come together and I say you fit give Gary a kidney because Tete have underlying sickness and so forth, so Tete can donate one and kidney. So they must say you're the best person to give Gary one of your kidney, so guys know me know.
Marsha, why you no come down and go do it for Gary? Eh? Why you no come down and go do it? Me fi say cousin as much as you fi say cousin. And further on, none of you no call me and talk to me about the situation. You hear where you say the family member then come together and plan and say me I best one. Who know say me I best one? Who a give me nothing? Who a help me? Which one of you help me? Which one of you know if me auntie or me no auntie? Well, let me tell you this. Don't text back my pussy clad phone and tell any one of them me say text me or diss them. The whole of them they are foreign and me no more there so. Uno have the opportunity can help him. Look how much I uno. Why none of uno can do surgery and help him? Why me? Why me? I me uno choose for sacrifice. Why me? Eh? Uno blood clot. Listen me. I don't text back my phone. As long as your blood clot live. And tell anyone I family member say if you no text me or this uno. As much as me love Gary, me nah do nothing because uno no come to me and ask me. Uno plan back at me. You will have no plan and decide say me I best one. Why uno no call and make we call a family meeting and uno ask me? I no ask and ask me. I tell me. Say that you no plan for do uno blood clot rank. Uno don't call me phone because me and none of uno know nothing. None of uno no business if me live or me dead. So none of uno no call me.